There's a strong demand for software engineers, and it's expected to keep growing. Between 2020 and 2030, the projected job growth in the field is estimated at 22%. So there are many opportunities to enter the industry, build your experience, and advance your skills. The salaries are enticing too. With the average software engineer in the United States making right around $100,000, the pay can support most lifestyles. Software developers also tend to have a lot of options once they enter the field and gain some experience. From a developer role, you can transition into specialized positions like mobile development, cybersecurity, or infrastructure engineering. If you're dedicated and love learning, there's a lot of mobility, and you can write the script for your career so that you get to work on solving problems you're passionate about. With all this opportunity and potential, everyone should become a software developer, right? Not necessarily. It's not a great match for everyone, and you don't want to invest a lot of time and resources into a career that isn't the right fit for you. So, how do you know if a career in software development is right for you? Personally, I stumbled upon it by accident. I was always interested in technology, but never had a real productive use for it. Then I took a computer programming course at my high school, where I wrote my first line of code, which I'll never forget. It immediately sparked my curiosity, and I started to envision myself building more complex applications that would make a difference in the world. At that moment, I just kind of knew it was what I wanted to do with my life, and I had the desire to learn more. That's how my journey started. So let's create that moment for you. In your web browser, navigate to REPL using the URL you see below. REPL is an online tool for creating small code snippets, and you can see I've already added a bit of JavaScript in the editor. So go ahead and type out this code. Then execute it by hitting the green Run button. Then over here in this black box known as the console, it will ask for your name. So type it in and hit enter. See what happens. Congratulations, you just executed your first line of code. Now, after this video, take 15 minutes and run some experiments with the code. Read it, try to change the question, or make it ask for your last name along with your first name and print it as well. Don't worry about getting it right. It's okay if something doesn't work, and don't be afraid to use Google for some help. Once you've done that, just stop watching this course and go about the rest of your day. Then tomorrow, set aside some time to do some reflection. Ask yourself if you're still curious about that experience. Did it get you excited? Was it in the back of your mind for the rest of the day? Maybe it was difficult, but were you drawn to the challenge? If you just have to know more, and you're excited to create something more advanced, come back to this course and I'll show you where to begin a career in code.